everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are safe. So today's video is review video of this toner. Watch this full video. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification first. Like, comment and share my video. And here is my Instagram ID. You can follow me on Instagram. This is Alps Goodness Sandalwood toner. It helps to purify your skin, maintain pH balance and soothes your skin. Ingredients are purified water, sandalwood extract, hibiscus extract, cucumber extract, mulberry extract, orange extract, rose water, color and perfume. Price of this toner is 145 rupees for 100 ml of toner, but online you get some discount on this product. I will give the link in my description box. Use this toner with the help of cotton pad or you can directly spray this toner on your face. I have been using this toner for a week. I like the smell of this toner. It smells just like sandalwood. It also moisturizes your skin and adds some glow on your face. You can see the packaging of this toner. I like especially this spray part. This part quality is very good and one time spray is enough for your all over face. Honestly speaking, I don't feel like it suits my skin and I feel it little bit irritate my skin. It may different for your skin. All over this toner is very good at this price and this toner is suitable for all skin type. If you're looking for an affordable toner, you can go for it. So today's video is complete here. I hope you guys enjoy this video, find them useful and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.